Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Tradegecko Inventory Management. Tradegecko Inventory Management is a robust platform designed for streamlining inventory, orders, and sales channels. The system centralizes inventory tracking across multiple warehouses, ensuring efficient real-time monitoring. It integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms and accounting software to facilitate smooth data flows. Automation features include setting reorder points, managing stock adjustments, and organizing product variants. Tradegecko offers in-depth analytics and customizable reports and dashboards to monitor key performance indicators. The platform supports multi-currency, multi-location, and multi-channel operations for global business scalability. Its user-friendly interface and mobile accessibility enable efficient inventory management on the go. The full guide covers best practices for inventory forecasting, order fulfillment, and supplier management strategies. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.